Hi guys, this is I am from Arduino and today I will show you how to make a portable distance sensor. Yeah, so obviously the title means that you're gonna measure a distance between the sensor and another object. So let's dive into it. So for this project you need an ultrasonic sensor, HC SR0404. So, and a breadboard so you can do the wiring, an LCD and an Arduino. An LCD, I use an I2C LCD because it's easier. You have the backpack on the back side of it. Yeah, so it's so easy to plug in. And Arduino, use any type of Arduino. It doesn't have to be an Arduino Uno. I use an Arduino Plus, but you get the point. Any Arduino works in the same thing, in the same algorithm, strategy, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, so with the Arduino you could basically do anything because any Arduino has the same brain, same thing. Okay, so enough of talking, let's go to explaining the schematic. So the first things first, you can begin with one of them. I'm gonna begin with the LCD. So first, connect the VCC to 5 volts and connect the SDA to SDA, SCL to SCL, and GND to GND. It's basically simple. And on the other side of the ultrasonic sensor, connect GND to GND, 5 volts. Wait, yeah, you maybe saw it or saw it in my first video. You have to connect it to AOREF pin because because it's the same thing as 5 volts. Yeah, because there is a lot of people when they run out of 5 volts, they're like, oh no, I'm out of 5 volts. I'm gonna do a 5-volt rail so it's easy. No, just if you have two things that need 5V, just do it with IRF pin and 5V. It's much easier and simpler. So let's go again, back. The echo pin to the 3 pin on the Arduino, and the trig pin to the 2 pin of the Arduino. I don't know if that's right. Yeah, like always guys, the code is in my website. I will put it in the link down below, and I will put a link in the description for a kit that has a lot of components, like literally lots. I'm gonna put 2 if you want. And if this video has like over 100 likes, I'm gonna do a video. I'm gonna explain all of my code that is in this video, and I'm gonna to explain the functions and the differences between these components. So like I said guys, if this video has 100 likes or more, I'm gonna post a video where I explain all of my code and the meanings of it. So stay tuned for the other video if it has 100 likes. Yeah, so without any further ado, let's hop on the real life. So here guys, as you can see, we are back with the Arduino Plus by KStudio. So let's begin. First of all, connect the GND here the GND of the Arduino. 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. And then what you want to do is hook up first the trick pin to pin 2. Really important to remember. Then the echo pin. Where is the echo pin? Yeah, there. Then the echo pin to pin 3. It's right next to the pin 2. Then obviously VCC to 5 volts. So 2 GNDs, and here's a 5 volt. So as I told you, we have the I2C LCD, which has a backpack, which I can directly plug this wire here, which I can directly plug here. If it was an Arduino Uno, I didn't have to do this H wire alone, as you can see. So let's plug it. Again, have to respect the color code and all that stuff. So I'm gonna plug it to my computer, and as I said, guys, the code is in the website. I already uploaded the code, so I just have to click on it. Yeah, so here, as you can see, it shows up. Let me arrange it a little bit so you can see, so that it's clear. I think by this point it's clear. It's clear here, yeah. So it's showing 0 inches. Why? Oh yeah. So it's 9 inches between that and that. So let's test it. Target distance is 9 inches. Let's put this thing right here. I have this, so I can limit the measurement. It shows 2 inches. If I do further, it's 5 inches. If I approach it, it's 1 inches, and so forth. So here you have it, guys, how to do a portable distance sensor. So if you want to see all the code, I'm gonna put it in my links to my website. And too, if you want to buy all these projects, link in description below to the kit. And by then, see you soon.